Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Linux has more desktop environments than ever in 2026, but everyone keeps talking about the same big ones like GNOME, KDE Plasma, and XFCE. Today I'm flipping the script and bringing you the top 3 most underrated desktop environments that truly deserve way more attention this year. These hidden gems can completely change how you experience Linux. Stick around until the end for an honorable mention and my personal recommendation. Let's jump right in. Starting at number 3 is Mate. If you miss the classic GNOME 2 days with traditional panels, applets, and a familiar workflow, Mate is its spiritual successor that's still going strong in 2026. It's incredibly stable, super lightweight, and perfect for older hardware or anyone who wants something that just works without fighting the interface. You can customize it endlessly with themes, and it feels snappy even on decade-old machines. The pros are rock-solid reliability and low resource usage, though it can look a bit dated out of the box. Best tried on Ubuntu Mate or Linux Mint Mate Edition. At number 2, we have Pantheon, the gorgeous desktop environment from Elementary OS. This one is all about elegance and simplicity with clean animations, thoughtful design, and a premium macOS inspired feel. It's easily one of the most beautiful desktops available on Linux right now. If you value aesthetics and a smooth, distraction free experience, Pantheon really delivers. It's less customizable than something like KDE, but the polish makes up for it. You can run it natively on Elementary OS or install it on Arch, Fedora, or Ubuntu. And my number one underrated desktop environment in 2026 is Budgie. Budgie perfectly balances modern design with real-world practicality. It takes the best parts of GNOME's polish and adds useful features like the Raven sidebar for notifications, applets, and quick settings. It looks fantastic, performs really well, and feels fresh without forcing you to completely change your workflow. Budgie has matured beautifully this year and offers great theming options. It's beginner friendly yet powerful, making it my top pick among underrated options. Try it on Solus where it shines brightest or on Fedora Budgie Spin and Ubuntu Budgie. For a quick honorable mention, we have LXQt. If you're running low-end hardware or want maximum speed with a modern Qt-based interface, LXQt is an insanely lightweight champion that's perfect for reviving old laptops. So which one are you going to try first? Budgie, Pantheon, or Mate? Drop your answer and your favorite underrated desktop in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future Linux content. Let me know what other underrated Linux topics you want to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.